Why are carry-on bags so strictly weighed when passengers can simply load up on extra items after clearing security? Travellers point out the contradiction. You're told your cabin bag must be under 7 or 10 kilos, only to find that once you're through customs and immigration, you're free to buy as much as you can carry. Whether it's designer goods, duty-free bottles, or as one traveller put it, 200 donuts. Adding to the frustration, some note that airlines don't weigh passengers themselves, despite the obvious impact total weight has on a plane. Aviation officials defend the policy, citing balance, safety, and overhead bin space, but for many, it still feels like a logistical loophole wrapped in a glazed contradiction.